In this video, we'll walk you through how to create a payer in Assignr. This is step 2 of 6 in the direct deposit setup process, typically after enabling two-step authentication, and must be done by the owner of an Assignr site. First, let's quickly review what an owner of a site can do. An owner can manage all aspects of a site, including the site subscription and billing information, and they're by default the creator of the site. If you need to change or add owners to your site, reach out to us at support@assignr.com for assistance. If a non-owner just needs the ability to set up and/or manage a payer, we recommend asking the existing owner to create the payer for you and then grant you access to that payer so you can do this effectively with your existing permissions. Next, let's review what a payer is. A payer is the organization or individual that funds payments to your officials. Depending on your setup, that could be an officiating association, a league, a school, an individual, or a different business. To create one, start by selecting Pay Officials on the left-hand side of the screen, then select Add a Payer. One thing to note, once your site has created its first payer, this Pay Officials button changes to a Financials menu. So if this is not your first payer and you're looking to add another one, you'll go to Financials on the left-hand side, then select All Payers and Add a Payer instead. From here, enter the name of the organization or individual that will be paying officials in the Name of Organization field. If needed, select your currency from the dropdown. This will default to US dollars. If your site will only ever have one entity paying officials, or if you'd like this to be your default payer, go ahead and check the default payer checkbox. When checked, Assignr will automatically set the paid by attribute for all new games. You'll also see a checkbox to agree to our payment services addendum. This is required in order to enable direct deposit, W-9, or 1099 functionality, so you'll want to check this box and read through the addendum before proceeding. Then select Save. Once saved, your payer has been created. From here, if someone other than yourself will be involved in enabling direct deposit for the payer, your next step is to grant them access to it, which we cover in the next video in this series. If you are the only person involved in the setup process, you can skip ahead to step 4, setting up your payment account. You can always check your progress as you set up direct deposit by using the tracker inside your payer page. Completed steps will show a green check mark. One question we get from time to time is, how do I delete a payer? If you've already enabled direct deposit on a payer, you'll need to reach out to our support team for help with that. If you haven't enabled direct deposit yet, then you can delete it yourself by navigating to Financials and then your payer name. From there, select Settings and Edit Payer, and finally select Delete and Confirm. Now that you've created your payer, let's review how to grant users payer permissions.